want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
Bless up with the Selma viewers and subscribers. Big up. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a New Link there and from New Link Production. And we say attack. So now my people, right? You don't know New Link going on. Once our viewers, subscribers, anybody at all reach out to us with any story, and we find the story is fit to broadcast out there, and the people them say, yo, you don't know with I love we push the story out there. You don't know New Link, I go do it. You get where I say, so we do the thing. So anybody have a story, you want to reach out to New Link, you can come say boom and do that. Boom. Well, people, right now, I'm going to talk about a story that's reached to New Link. And it's where a brother, one of our Caribbean brothers, not from Jamaica, but from one of our Caribbean islands, who's living in England for over 20 years now, people, right? And this man's story right now is one of the most saddest story, you know what I mean? And one of the story where me that say, boy, you have some people who are ungrateful and wicked in their life. Because this story now is where this man is from one of our small island, them, you understand? And a Jamaican woman is the one who deceive him right now. Yeah, man. So, this man now, people, reach out to New Link. And him say, New Link, boy, me I tell New Link right now, me sad. New Link, me feel a way. And New Link, me not feel a way if you say, yo, a woman move on from me with the next man, you know. Me feel a way if you know how a woman wicked and ungrateful. You understand? For all of the good things we do for them, and at the end, them want to sink you and destroy you. Because this man now, people, so he have his kids them, right? He have big kids and everything. But he said he meet this woman like 5 years now. They have this thing going on, relationship and thing. They live together at one point, and things then a little thing they go on, a little argument, fight and everything, and you know what I mean, they manage to separate and go this, but they still have this connection where, you know what I mean, things still are going on with them and thing. Because in the process when him move out and thing, the woman was there still, you know what I mean, come on to him and you rate her and respect her same way, and them him still a visit her same way, spend time back and forth and everything. You get me? But the man said he always finance this woman, meaning take care, treat her good. You know what I mean? This man said during the period of 3 years up to now, you know what I mean, this woman has changed 3 cars, and he is the one who buy these 3 cars for her. Him say no matter, he not really boast and talk about when do fear, but he just show New Link that thing, right? You understand? He buy 3 cars for her. Him say right now the current car where she a drive, people, she right now is his car. Him buy it for her, insurance, everything in his name, which him still do, pay it and everything. You get me? Him say everything was going great because eventually the woman come to him one day, because this woman used to do teaching. I remember I'm telling you, this lady is a Jamaican. Him said this lady come to him now, people, and say, you know what, honestly, me can't bother the teaching thing is too hard, and the people them are annoy me and this. So him sent to her, say, alright then, you know, what plans you have? She say, you know, me I love to do a local business, do like a local shop where, you know, like a local restaurant and thing. And the man say, right, no problem then, if that you want, and you know, more you happy, more help you out tonight. But you know, it's your thing, you get me? I say, so the man say, boom, come people and him invest so much in this place with this woman. Him say when him check up like the total amount of money him spend and put in this business, it was like over £60,000, you know, because this is in England, people, right? Him saying at the end, business was not so good at times being, you know what I mean? Because enough time, she not make the amount of money and things that's so good, boom. But him said the best part of this business for this lady is when this thing hit, that's the COVID thing hit now in England, and many of the business them, the top restaurant over there closed down, so fear thing did always open now, you get me? So more people, that's when she make the most money. Him saying at the end now, people, a thing go on where you don't know, I don't know if anybody in England know this or anybody in other parts know this. When you're in England and you have a business in a time like now where this is pandemic, country shut down and everything, the government do give these business people, as was what the gentleman said to me, like a stipend of £10,000 for the business and thing, which the human may get it or whatever, and you know what I mean, and thing. Well, this man, people, he has his profession, he also have his business differently, you know what I mean, he's a very great man up there and everything, doing his thing. Well, in the end now, people, what the man is saying now, come, so booms, 3 weeks ago now, 3 weeks ago, you know, everything was good. Remember, as I tell you, they don't live together, but he might take care of my finance, I do everything for our people, everything. You get me? I say, if the lady gone over one different part in England for all 2 weeks or 3 weeks, him did there ensure say business alright, ensure say do that everything I deliver, bills I pay out of him pocket in our ask for nothing. You get me? In the end now, this man said 3 weeks ago now, cause him see I look like the lady just start move different with him, and him I wonder say what go on now, what really happen now. So him saying come so boom now, one day I call her in a get her saying say boom, I drive go out I where she did the restaurant go see if him see her and what go on. Him so when him go there drive go out the people and I carry and then look, is a next man him see now with this lady I come from out a different restaurant while fear one close this. So him saying go to her like attack and say, yo, what's really going on? I'm trying to reach her and this and that. And him said the woman just start fly up on him and start say, what you do this and that, stop me around and everything. Him saying at the end, the woman call police on them people. And sadly, them lock him up. You understand? And me I tell us that this happened in a week because on Monday him get bail. And him say she call police for him. He saying at the end the lady tell the police them say this man now has been stalking her for the past 2 years. She not have a connection with him. She not have nothing. And they stalk him and stalk her and everything. But him say him know deep inside because he have telephone call, he have message from her, he have things that show say he might pay bills for her and everything. So you want to know how could he have been stalking this woman. And he said everything was good until this 3 weeks. Him saying at the end, people, this woman like she said she go press charge upon him and him not do nothing for her. Basically that I wish she say him not do nothing for her and all of the thing what him done. Him say people honestly, him feel the man me tell us that this man feel hurt people. This man even now cry toward the man attack and the man as me tell her the man I said woman is not my problem. You get me? Because this man as me tell her is not a look up. This man have in business. You get me? I say have his business in England also. This man is not like a broke man out there. But the man I tell her, oh, what the woman do to him. The man says he has never been arrested in his life before. He say he has been in a relationship because him and this lady they don't marry and they don't have no kids together. But him say his past relationship with baby mother and everything wasn't like this because him never invest so much in none of them. And if you know how much him put into this one because him love her and him respect her. And I tell us say a big people, him no people, not joke thing. But in the end, this lady he said is older than him. You know what I mean? But him saying at the end, he never did expect all of this from the woman because he done so much. He put in so much and at the end, this is what reach him. Right now, people, as me I tell her, the man torn up right now. Him hurt and everything and him sad. You know, but in the end, you will give him a word of encouragement, you know, and you will make him know, so listen, sometimes things happen. God make it happen for a reason. This is the sign of God show because maybe they continue just to invest in this woman and she keep on a play and a play and a play because definitely I can say this woman is a really wicked and cruel woman because there's no way people, somebody who take care and spend money for you and they're going to set police and lock up the person because I'm say they have court for go right now and him even if you go get a lawyer and him do get him lawyer and him show him lawyer everything and the lawyer say with what him say everything is good, you know what I mean? But for sure that in the woman just want to destroy this man and the man say him not do her nothing. It's not like him did even go there with a fight with a argument. Just say what me I call the phone and what I go on and then the woman start fly up on this and that and so him saying at the end he asks so yeah and this man have a relationship. The man when she said no a business and whatever which he not a problem and then at the end the woman just call police pan him, police come. So in the end as I tell the people and the man show me some point man I say no only say sometime it was a relationship out there and some man snap meaning man will do things and people that say but they don't know the half of it but the man say no link me not go hurt no woman, you understand? I mean not stupid so but me gonna tell me hurt the man say him never can sleep people to him hurt because he say what hurt him say no he never did expect human for doing this and when the woman look and say yo over 2 years he must stalk him now, stalk her now and it's not like she make it look like say he must somebody who didn't have a connection or this them break away from that or then and the man say if you know say how much him still do for this lady up to date in the end people him say him go just go boom deal with the court process whatever them a do and say but him say him no want nothing from her meaning he no want no finance if she go and apologize to him and give him back money and this him say him no want that you understand but in the end he just want to know why she do this to him why and that's what the man asks why and in the end as we tell people she's a Jamaican he's from a different small island but living in England she living in England for a long period of time too. It's rough and it's tough on his side because when we listen to this man, me and this man talk for about our people, you understand? And when we listen to this man's story, people, I feel sad. You get me? Also, I feel a way because I just put myself in his shoes and know what this man is going through, people. He's going through a lot. And to know that, yo, in a life, some people who you invest all of their time with, they can just destroy. And when the man says, no link, I think it's easy now if you know, say, me that try to make something work out so long and invest so much. And then if you go start back with somebody from scratch, but You know, it's just like, I tell him, say, at the end of the road, there's life and there's hope. So, you don't know the thing going on, my viewers and subscribers. Any one of you out there right now, and you're listening the video right now and watching the video, right? Just leave something in the comment section where this gentleman can see it and give him a word of encouragement. You understand, or what you do really think about this whole situation. Just leave it in the comment section, because in the end, you know, maybe what you said in the comment section may change his life. You don't know, or may can keep him focused and give him that strength of happiness. You may never know. So you don't know the thing of people. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to everyone who subscribe, everyone who like, everyone who share, everyone who comment. I don't know, this is New Link from New Link Production, and we keep on say attacking. And peace, number people, and love and respect. And remember, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, NewLink_Production Official, on Facebook, New Link Production, on Twitter, New Link Production. Peace out, respect. Attack them.